Good afternoon, all you caravan, camping and cooking enthusiasts. We're going to be shooting another video today after the response that we've had from our latest promotion, which is the Draai Braai. We thought we'd make a quick video to show you how this ingenious little invention works and why we recommend it for most of the caravanners and campers and 4x4 enthusiasts. Basically, it's called a Draai Braai, and it's a relatively simple concept, and it just makes braaiing so much easier. You'll see with conventional grids, when you pack them for caravanning and camping, you actually need bricks to put down below the base of the grid to control the heat. With this Draai Braai, I tell you, it comes with a tripod stand that you just center down in the middle of the braai, and then to control the heat or for the right cooking temperature that you want to cook your meat on, it simply turns to lower, or you can turn it anti-clockwise to heighten the base between the actual coal and from what you're cooking. This is a mild steel one. You can actually order them in stainless steel if you want, and they are so easy to take apart, so easy to store, and a lot easier to clean than conventional braais. We are cooking boerewors rolls, and if you're thinking, why on earth am I wearing this sombrero? Well, because when I'm in the mood for cooking, I want to be in the mood for cooking, and it just keeps a little bit of the sun off my pale face so that I don't get sunburnt. As you can see, there's one fly bolt in the base which keeps the center alignment upright, and yeah, you can literally take it as high as you want or as low as you want. Yeah, it really is so easy to transport, so easy to clean, and just makes your whole braai experience a whole lot better. Definitely recommended for campers and caravanners, and if you want one, just click on the link. You can order one below, and we can put you directly in touch with Draai Braai. They also do deliveries in your region as well. And there you go, fresh from the grid, piping hot, but absolutely delicious. Boerewors rolls, that's the best thing about being South African. So here we're going to disassemble the Draai Braai. As you can see, it's very easily to clean. I just put mine under the hose, gave it a bit of a wash and a rinse, and there you go, clean, good as new. I'm going to show you how the Draai Braai gets folded up and put back away. We are busy waiting for our nice little canvas bag that we ordered as an extra to come with the Draai Braai, just to make carrying around just that little bit easier. As you can see, you can just untwist the top off of the Draai Braai, just like that, with 1 or 2 turns. The top comes off, and then at the base of the Draai Braai, as you can see, there's a little wing nut here. Some people call it a fly nut because it looks like a fly. But as long as you untighten the fly nut, you can take your centrifuge right out, and there you go. You just got 3 pieces to pack and carry. This goes straight into our carry bag. There you go. Zipped up and ready to go. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked the video, please remember to subscribe so we can give you more great content and products for caravanning and camping in South Africa. Thank you.